Taking an online hearing test can be a convenient and cost-effective way to check your hearing. Here are some benefits of online hearing tests. 1. Convenience. Online hearing tests can be taken from the comfort of your own home at a time that is convenient for you. This eliminates the need to schedule an appointment with a healthcare professional and travel to a clinic. 2. Cost-effective. Online hearing tests are often free or low cost, which can save you money compared to a traditional hearing test. 3. Accessibility. Online hearing tests are available to anyone with internet access, regardless of their location. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals who live in remote areas or have mobility issues. 4. Privacy. Online hearing tests can be taken in the privacy of your own home, which can be a more comfortable and less intimidating experience than taking a hearing test in a clinical setting. However, it's important to keep in mind that online hearing tests may not be as accurate as a traditional hearing test conducted by a healthcare professional. If you have concerns about your hearing, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for a comprehensive evaluation.